Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the PowerPoint version and collecting assets. This matters because animations and triggers vary by edition. Next, plan rounds and timing. Decide how many questions per round and set a time limit, for example, 20 seconds each. Once done, create a blank template slide for question layout and a master slide for consistent headers and footers. Make sure to import images and audio now so you won't disrupt flow later. This saves time and prevents missing media during the build. You now construct interactivity using shapes as buttons and triggers. This creates the feel of a quiz show. Start by placing one correct answer and 3 distractors, then convert each text box into a clickable shape. Use hyperlink to slide for navigation or set triggers to play animations on click. Triggers let you reveal correct answers without leaving the slide. Also add entrance animations for correct feedback and exit animations for wrong choices, and attach short sound cues to reinforce responses. These elements keep the pace lively. You finish by assembling a score slide and wiring navigation for round resets and final tally. Choose variables if available, or use a simple manual tally sheet for scoring. Then run the full presentation in presenter mode and test each interaction, timing, and sound. Make sure animations trigger reliably and hyperlinks go to the correct slides. If something breaks, try reinserting the media, compressing large files, or converting audio to MP3. These fixes resolve most playback issues and keep your quiz show smooth and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.